You're standing in front of your framed wall and you're about to install your saveBOARD betterBRACE rigid air barrier. Step 1, print the manual, have a read through. It's not that big, not that complicated, and a lot of it is very similar to other products that we're using in the marketplace. If you need to cut any sheet openings around windows, we would use a rail saw, a skill saw, similar to how you would cut plywood. Once you've cut, sand any rough edges. Using a normal primer, seal any edges. While the sheet's still on the ground, we will now mark out the fixing, and we'll use this table here on page 9. We're going to nail gun it, and we're going to use 50mm ring shank nails. Using the detail on page 9, we're allowing for a 15mm overhang. On a non-brace wall like this one, the nailing pattern would be every 200mm. And if you're installing a brace wall, nail off every 100mm. Make sure any nails are flush. Adjust your gun if required. Between sheet joins we need to leave a 2 to 4mm gap. You can use a plastic packer, I like to use a nail. And we're ready to install the next sheet. All joins need to be sealed with 75mm flashing tape. We've used protector wrap. You can also use ProClimber, Thermocraft or Seeker building tapes. One of Tim's tricks, pinch the center, that way you make it perfectly even. This product has an excellent bracing capacity, providing up to 135% compared to OSB or plywood products.